Alright guys, what's up? Today I'm going to teach you how to do the Modern Warfare 2 10th Prestige hack, or the Prestige hack as most people like to call it, because you can do any Prestige you want. And it is very, very simple. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know how to do this. It will take you probably 10 minutes tops. To start things off, let's just jump right into it. Here we go. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is load up your Modern Warfare 2, and you're going to go to split screen, hit square, and then go to create new, and then type in, for the first one, we're going to call it CoD Reality, just like so, as you can see. Okay. And then for the next one, we're going to want to call it error file. Just type in error file, nice and easy. Alright, so now that you're done with that, now quit out to your XMB and copy the new profiles you just made, the fresh ones, to your flash drive. So take your flash drive, plug your flash drive into your PS3, and then copy them onto your flash drive. Alright, so now we're back on our computer, and we're going to open up the Modern Warfare 2 leaderboard tool, which is included in the download pack. And once you get that started, you're going to want to click Open File, and then you're going to want to open the CoD Reality file from the download. Not the one that you made on your PS3, but the one from the download. So open up your download, open up the CoD Reality file, and this is pretty simple. You just pick whichever prestige you want. Now, how this works is kind of simple. You're going to want to choose the prestige before the prestige that you want to be. So let's say you want to be prestige 10. In this program, you would choose prestige 9, because when you do this hack, you have to prestige or whatever, and then you're going to be the next prestige up. So I want to be prestige 9, so I'm going to choose 8 in the video. Alright, so now once you're all done with that, you click save. Alright, so now plug your flash drive into your computer, and then copy the files that you just hacked from the archive, the download, copy them and replace the ones on your flash drive with the ones that you just hacked. So you're going to want to open up your CoD Reality folder, and then copy that over to your flash drive, replace it, and then you're going to want to open up your error file, and then copy it over to your flash drive. Alright, so once you're all done, unplug your flash drive, go back to your PS3, plug your flash drive in, and go into the flash drive, and copy and replace the files on your PS3. So copy the files from your flash drive to your PS3 and overwrite the files on your PS3 with the new ones that we just hacked on our computer. Alright, so now start up Modern Warfare 2, and then go to split screen, and then load up our CoD Reality profile, or whatever you called it. Alright, now just continue right into a private match, and as soon as you get into the private match, just end the game, and then once you get back to the main menu for Call of Duty, just go back to your XMB, so hold down your PS button, go to Quit Game. Alright, so now we need to go to our network settings and configure our proxy so we can block the patch. Since you can't actually do this on 1.07, you have to actually do this hack on 1.04, so we're blocking the patch now. So go to Settings on your PS3, and then go to Internet Connection Settings. Then go to Custom. Leave everything as it should be. I mean, everything should be fine the way it is. There shouldn't have to change anything else. And then once you get to the part where it asks you if you want to use a proxy server, say use, and then go back to your PC. Alright, so now that you're on your PC, you want to open up your command prompt, and then type in ipconfig, where it says IP address, as you can see in here. Mine is 192.168.140. It's going to be different for you, but this is the IP that you want to use. Okay, you take that IP, and that's the IP that you're going to put in on your PS3. So on your PS3, I would type in 192.168.140 for the proxy part. Then press X, go all the way to the next screen until it asks you to test your connection, but don't actually test it yet. Now go back to your PC and click Start on the program. Alright, so once you hit Start, it's blocking the patch. And now what you're going to do is go back to your PS3 and test your connection. It should succeed. And now that we're blocking the patch, let's go ahead and delete the patch. So go to your game data, and then find Modern Warfare 2, which is right there, and then delete it. You know, pretty simple. Delete it, and then start up Modern Warfare 2. Now, if you haven't already, you'll probably notice that you'll probably be signed out when you're doing this. If you get signed out of the PSN while you're doing this, just go ahead and sign back in. It's not a big deal. Alright, so now you're on Modern Warfare 2, go to split screen, load up your error file, and you should get an error, obviously. Now go to play online, and then back out, and then go back into split screen, and then prestige. So go to your barracks, and enter prestige mode, do the prestige. Go back to the split screen, load up your regular profile, your CoD Reality profile, or whatever you called it. Alright, now back out and then go to play online. Then once you're in the online screen, just prestige one last time. Now, if you did everything right, you should be the prestige that you wanted. If you listened to what I said and did the prestige before the one you wanted, like I told you to do. If you did everything right, you should be rank 1, prestige, whichever one you chose. So in my video, I'm prestige 9 because I wanted to be the 9th, because it's the coolest one in my opinion. The 10th was pretty gay, but whatever. Alright, so now you're all set. Your account has been hacked. You are the prestige that you want to be. Now you just have to set everything back up the way it should be. So, quit back to your XMB, quit game, and then go back to your network settings. And then just go back through custom settings and disable your proxy. Once you get back to the proxy screen, go to disable or just don't use it, do not use. And then test your connection. Everything should be fine. And then go back on your PC and close the patch blocker program. Alright, once you're all done with that, then you need to get back on the right patch because we're still on 1.04, so let's get back to 1.07. So start up Call of Duty and download patch 1.07 and install it. Alright, so now that you're back on Modern Warfare now, let's make sure everything works right now that you're on 1.07, the right patch, the correct one. Go to play online and you should be the prestige that you wanted, so you're all set and ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Rate, comment, and if you aren't already subscribed, you should be. Shame on you for not subscribing. And if you haven't already, check out CoD Reality. It's a great website. It's very nice, if I do say so myself. And if you need any help or stuff like that with this, because this is pretty confusing, I would say, for some people. If you need any help, just check out the topic for this hack in the sidebar. There's a link straight to the topic on CoD Reality. If you already have an account on CoD Reality, you can just go right on there and make a post, ask for some help, and we'll help you out as best we can. So as I said, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys around. Have fun.